Hey friends, if you're a designer, this is going to be really useful for you, or if you just manage a lot of websites in your Squarespace account, I'm going to show you a new feature that they just added where you could pin up to 10 sites to the top of your dashboard. Cool, so you can see I'm on the back end of my site here on the dashboard. Just go to account.squarespace.com or just go to squarespace.com and log in. Once you're here, it's so simple. You just click the three dots on the site you want to pin, and then it says pin to top. This is so helpful and useful. I'm really excited for this because I have over 500 sites in my account. And so things get lost sometimes. And the search feature is cool, but it takes a little bit of time. To be able to pin 3 or 4 sites at the top or up to 10 can be really useful. Also, as far as I can tell right now, on the actual Squarespace app, it does not acknowledge the pins, which is honestly unfortunate, but I bet it will soon. So check the comments down below or the description. I'll write a little note there with an update if they do update the app. Currently on the app, it's not following the same format as what you see on my screen. So the sites are in a different order. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.